So hello once again. This is a meeting room booking system that I built from the ground with Laravel. It is designed for teams who needs to manage and reserve rooms without conflicts. So this video will serve will also walk through every features and goes behind it and the security that protects it. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, the first feature is the user's dashboard. So it shows room availability, today's bookings, and it also lives in the web.php, which is located in routes right here. And the controller, which is the dashboard controller, which is located in controller, which is on the located on the core app of the framework. So the user sees the metrics and timeline of meetings. This feature matters because it gives a fast view of current operations. And so the next features is we are looking at the book creation. It saves meetings reservation with date and time and room selections. It also lives on first is on the controller, located on the controllers, which is the booking controller.php, and the requesting, which is the booking request, which is located on controllers and request.php, and its users fills the booking from resources views and create.play.php, which is also located here, and the views and bookings and create.play.php. And this features matters because it supports the core reservation and workflow. So the third feature is we are looking now at the room availability tracking. It prevents double booking and shows unavailable rooms, and it lives on the room.php, which is located on motels, and its views which is located also in views, but its file name create.plate.php, and the user sees disabled rooms and available rooms time warning. These features matters because it keeps booking accurate and reliable. So the next features we are looking now in is on the schedule calendar. This displays weekly room bookings and week navigation, which is located in both web.php and schedule controller.php, which is located here on routes, which is this one, and the other file is located on controllers, which is the schedule controller, and the user views weekly schedule grid on the schedule page because this features matters, and it gives a strong visual planning tools. So next is the profile management. It allows users to update profiles in details and changes the passwords, and it lives on the web.php and controller profile controller.php, which is both located here and controllers right here, and the uh, routes which is located right here. So the users edits the profile and data uploads an avatar. These features matters because it personalizes the user's experiences. Now, to the next features, we are now moving on admin room management. What we are looking now is the admin room management. It creates and edits and rooms with amenities and status. It's located on the web.php. It routes on web.php, and the controller is located on the admin controllers is located on controllers right here, and this feature matters because it controls available meeting rooms. Next is the admin booking management, and the admin booking management, it lists bookings shows details and cancels and bookings, and it's located still on the web.php and admin controller, but the admin sees the bookings in admin bookings.index and cancels with one action. So these features matters because it gives administrative oversight of the reservations. Now, next is what we are looking now is the admin user management. It creates users, updates rules, and deletes accounts safely. And again, it's still ready. The route is still on web.php, and the controller is still the admin controller.php. So the admin uses admin.user.index and admin user.create views. These features matters because it controls access and team rules. So similar to the other three, next what we are looking now is the amenities management. It adds, edits, and removes rooms amenities, and still similar again to the other three. It the route is still located on web.php, and the controller is still the admin controller.php. So the admin manages the amenities from admin amenities page, so these features really matters because it keeps the room features up to date. Now to the last features, what we are looking now is the booking notifications. So so next let's it returns the active booking alerts for the current users. It lives on browse.php, and the controller located on the booking notification controller.php, which is right here, and the user gets JSON alerts for upcoming meetings. These features matters because it keeps the users aware of imminent meetings. So what the code highlights? So the code functionality, booking creation is the key working feature. It is proven, and the booking controller.php with this runs without errors and handles rooms overlap validations, and the quality of the codes. So this app uses clear controller and models naming convention, well-documented methods is indexed in the dashboard controller.php, which is right here. The repository has a composer JSON scripts for setup, dev, and testing. So we're looking now in the UI. The front-end stack is plate templates with Tailwind style classes, a responsive layout elements in resources, which is located on create plate.php, which is right here. The interface is clean and requires no training to use. Now, next to code security. So the auth method is breeze, auth routes and routes that with the PHP. A validation rule is defined, and right here, the code uses the eloquent ORM queries to protect against SQL injections. And next is the code presentation. This video covers the major features and of the systems. The code is documented and follows Laravel best practices, and that covers the dashboard bookings, the flow schedules, calendars, and profiles admin tools and security. So if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.